Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Amazon Prime Video on your Fire Stick and link it to your account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your TV and Fire Stick device. Then navigate to the home screen. Step 2. Scroll through the app list and select the Prime Video app. If it's not installed, go to the Amazon App Store and download it. Step 3. Open the Prime Video app and select Sign In or Register from the menu. Step 4. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 5. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to amazon.com/mytv. Step 6. Log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Step 7. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV into the field on the website and click Register Device. Step 8. Once the code is verified, your Fire Stick will automatically refresh and Prime Video will be activated and linked to your Amazon account. You can now start streaming thousands of movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals. If you have an Amazon Prime membership, you'll also have access to exclusive Prime content at no additional cost. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.